Love. Again. Again, he wants your kisses. Love. Are you in a loving mood? Kiss. Hey. No, just kiss. Be nice. Kiss. You're scaring him. Look at, he's petrified. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. What? Are you scared of her? She's a scary girl. He says you're scary. Oh, you want to wipe his mouth? Because nobody's wiping his mouth? Okay, fine, you. Hi. What? You're big. You're a big boy. You're scaring him again. Just kiss. Just kiss him. Just kiss handsome brother. Penelope. Penelope. Just kiss him. Kiss him. Kiss. Kiss. Penelope. Penelope. Kiss him. She doesn't want to kiss. What? 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 Wipe her brother's mouth. Penelope, wipe his mouth. Hot.